Hello friends, welcome to Mahesh Maths classes. We make it easy, you learn it quickly. Locus Part 4. Before watching this video, make sure that you have watched Part 1, 2 and 3. I am going to discuss the textbook problems in exercise 1A. So exercise 1A, second section, sixth problem. Find the equation of the locus of P if A is equal to 2 comma 3 and B is equal to 2 comma minus 3, PA plus PB is equal to 8. So here, what is the condition they have given? PA plus PB is equal to 8. So here let P x1 comma y1 be a point in the locus. So what is given? PA plus PB is equal to 8, and this can be written as PA is equal to 8 minus PB, squaring on both sides. You will get it as PA square is equal to 8 minus PB square. So PA square is equal to 8 square is 64 plus PB square minus 16 PB. Now send these two terms to the left side. You will get it as PA square minus PB square minus 64 is equal to minus 16 PB. So here what are A and B? A is 2 comma 3 and B is 2 comma minus 3. So PA, the distance between P and A is PA, is x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square minus PB square, the distance between P and B, that is x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus of minus 3 is plus 3 whole square minus 64 is equal to minus 16 PB. So here x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square minus x1 minus 2 whole square, remove the brackets here, minus into plus minus y1 plus 3 whole square is equal to minus 64 is equal to minus 16 PB. Here plus x1 minus 2 whole square minus x1 minus 2 whole square gets cancelled. So what is remaining now? Y1 minus 3 whole square. So let us expand this. Y1 square minus 6y1 plus 9 minus y1 plus 3 whole square, that is y1 square plus 6y1 plus 9 minus 64 is equal to minus 16 PB. So that is y1 square minus 6y1 plus 9 minus y1 square minus 6y1 minus 9 minus 64 is equal to minus 16 PB. So here y1 square gets cancelled, 9 minus 9 gets cancelled, minus 6y1 is minus 12y1 minus 64 is equal to minus 16 PB. So here 4 is common, so let us take minus 4 common, 3y1 plus 16 is equal to minus 16 PB. So minus gets cancelled on both sides. 4 ones are 4 fours are. So this is 3y1 plus 16 is equal to 4 PB. So that is 3y1 plus 16 is equal to 4 PB. That is now squaring on both sides again. You will get it as 3y1 plus 16 whole square is equal to 4 square is 16 PB square. This is 16. Okay. So now what is 16? What is PB square here? First expand this. 9y1 square plus 2 3s are 6 into 16. 96y1 plus 16 square is 256 is equal to 16 into what is PB square? So this is PB square here. So what we have written here, x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square. x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square. So write down here. Let us simplify now. That is 16 into x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square plus 6y1 plus 9. So that is equal to 16x1 square minus 64x1 plus 64 plus 16y1 square plus 96y1 plus 16 9s are 144. And what we have here? 9y1 square plus 96y1 plus 256. Both sides 96y1 gets cancelled. Now let us bring all the terms one side. So 16x1 square minus 64x1 plus 64 plus 144 is 208. Next 16y1 square minus 9y1 square minus 256 is equal to 0. Now what we have? 16x1 square, 16 minus 9 is 7y1 square minus 64x1 plus 208 minus 256 is equal to minus 48 equal to 0. So now replace x1 and y1 by x comma y. You will get the equation of locus. 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x minus 48 equal to 0. Next problem. A 5 comma 3 and B 3 comma minus 2 are two fixed points. Find the equation of the locus of P so that the area of triangle PAB is 9. So what is given here? They have given the 2 points A and B. So let the third vertex be P x1 comma y1. So join PA, PB and AB. A triangle PAB is formed. So what is the condition they have given? That the area of the triangle PAB is equal to 9. So what is the area of triangle PAB formula? That is 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 9 square units. So here this is x1 y1 and consider this as x2 y2 and these as x3 y3. Substitute in the formula. x1, what is x1 here? x1 only. x1 into y2 minus y3. 3 minus of minus 2. That is 3 plus 2 plus x2. What is x2 here? 5 into y3 minus y1. y3 is minus 2 and y1 is y1 only. Minus 2 minus y1 plus x3 is 3 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 is 3. So y1 minus 3 is equal to 9 square units. And here this 1 by 2, if you send to the other side, it will become 9 into 2. So this is 3 plus 2 modulus 5x1 plus 5 into minus 2 minus 10 minus 5y1 plus 3 into y1 3y1 3 into minus 3 is minus 9 equal to 18. Now 5x1 minus 5y1 plus 3y1 is minus 2y1 minus 10 minus 9 is minus 19 is equal to 18. So now here we have a modulus. If you remove the modulus here, 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19, here right side you will get plus or minus 18. So 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 equal to plus 18 once and minus 18 once you have to take. 2y1 minus 19 equal to minus 18. So here 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 equal to plus or minus 18 I wrote into two equations. Now these equations will become 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 minus 18 equal to 0 and 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 plus 18 equal to 0. So this will become 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 37 is equal to 0, and 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 1 equal to 0. So these are the two equations we got here. Now let us multiply 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 37 into 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 1 is equal to, right side you will get 0 into 0 is 0. So this is the required equation of the locus of the given point. Further you can simplify. So let us see what happens here. 5x1 into 5x1 is 25x1 square. 5x1 into minus 2y1 is 10x1y1. 5x1 into minus 1 is minus 5x1. Next, minus 2 into 5 minus 10x1y1. Minus 2y1 into minus 2y1 is 4y1 square. Minus 2y1 into minus 1 is plus 2y1. So now minus 37 into 5x1 is 185x1 minus into minus plus 37 2s are, that is 74y1 minus 37 into minus 1 is plus 37 equal to 0. Now let us simplify everything. First x1 square, that is 25x1 square. Next y1 square, this is also only one term, 4y1 square. Next x1 y1 term, minus 10x1 y1 minus 10x1 y1, that is minus 20x1 y1. Then x terms, minus 5x1 minus 185x1, that is 190x1. Then y1, 2y1 plus 74y1, that is plus 76y1, this is minus 190. Next, the constants, we have only one constant, that is 37 plus 37 equal to 0. Now replace x1 and y1 by x comma y, then you will get the equation of locus. So that is 25x square plus 4y square minus 20xy minus 190x plus 76y plus 37 equal to 0. Okay. Next question. Find the equation of the locus of a point which forms a triangle of area 2 with the points A 1, 1 and B minus 2, 3. Here the problem is similar to the previous problem. So here also they have given 2 points. So let P x1 y1 be a point on the locus, and here they have given the area of the triangle as 2 units. So here also let us write the formula of the triangle, area of the triangle, that is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 2 square units. Let us substitute the x1 y1 values and x2 y2 and x3 y3 values in the formula. So that is x1 is x1 into y2 minus y3, 1 minus 3 plus x2 is 1, that is 1 into y3 minus y1, 3 minus y1 plus x3 is minus 2 into y1 minus y2, y1 minus 1 is equal to, send this 2 to the other side, it will become 2 into 2, that is 4 square units. Now let us simplify. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, that is minus 2x1 plus 1 into 3 minus y1, that is 3 minus y1. Next, minus 2 into y1 minus 2y1, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 1 is equal to 2 2s are 4. Now minus 2x1 minus y1 minus 2y1 minus 3y1 plus 3 plus 1 is plus 4 is equal to 4. Again here we have modulus, that is we have to remove this modulus, therefore you will get minus 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 4 is equal to plus or minus 4, or you can write it as 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 4 is equal to plus or minus 4. Just I have taken minus common here. So here from this you will get two equations, that is 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 4 is equal to plus 4 ones, 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 4 is equal to minus 4 ones. So now let us simplify this. 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 4 equal to 0. 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. So here you will get 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 8 equal to 0. 2x1 plus 3y1 is minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled equal to 0. So these are the two equations we have got here. So we have to multiply these two now. So that is 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 8 into 2x1 plus 3y1 is equal to 0. So let us simplify this. 2x1 into 2x1, 4x1 square, 2x1 into 3, 3y1, that is 6x1 y1 plus 3y1 into 2x1, that is 6x1 y1 plus 3y1 into 3y1, 9y1 square, minus 8 into 2, 16x1 minus 8 into 3 minus 24y1 equal to 0. So if you simplify, you will get 4x1 square plus 12x1 y1, 6 plus 6 12 plus 9y1 square minus 16x1 minus 24y1 equal to 0. Now when you replace x1 and y1 by x and y, you will get the equation of locus, that is 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square minus 16x minus 24y equal to 0. Next problem. If the distance from P to the points 2, 3 and 2, minus 3 are in the ratio 2:3, then find the equation of the locus of P. So let Px1, y1 be a point on the locus. Then what is the geometric condition they have given here? Assume this A as 2, 3 and B as 2, minus 3. So the distances from P to A and P to B are in the ratio 2:3. That is PA is to PB is equal to 2:3. Or I can say that PA by PB is equal to 2 by 3. If you cross multiply, 3PA is equal to 2PB. And squaring on both sides, you will get 9PA square is equal to 4PB square. So let us substitute PA square value here. That is the distance between P and A whole square. That is x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 times PB square, the distance between P and B, that is x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus of minus 3, that is y1 plus 3 whole square. So let us simplify this. So what you will get here? 9 into x1 minus 2 whole square. Let us expand this. x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square minus 6y1 plus 9 is equal to 4 times x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square plus 6y1 minus plus 9. So this will become 9x1 square minus 36x1 plus 9 for the 36 plus 9 into y1 square, 9y1 square minus 9 6 54y1 plus 9 9 81 is equal to 4x1 square minus 16x1 plus 4 4 16 plus 4y1 square plus 24y1 plus 4 9s are 36. Okay, 4 9s are 36. Now let us bring all the terms together. So what you will get here is, see, this will become 9x1 square minus 36x1 plus 9y1 square Okay, both sides 36, 36 gets cancelled. Now what is remaining here? Minus 54y1 plus 81 minus 4x1 square plus 16x1 plus 16, sorry, this will become minus 16 minus 4y1 square minus 24y1 equal to 0. Now let us simplify. 9x1 square minus 4x1 square, that is 5x1 square. Next y1 square, 9y1 square minus 4y1 square, that is 5y1 square. Next x1 term, minus 36x1 plus 16x1, that is minus 20x1 minus 54y1 minus 24y1, that is minus 78y1. The remaining is the constant. 81 minus 16 is plus 65 equal to 0. So if you replace this x1 and y1 by x and y, you will get the equation of the locus. You do it. Okay. Next question. A 1 comma 2, B 2 comma minus 3, and C minus 2 comma 3 are 3 points. A point P moves such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square. Show that the equation to the locus of P is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. So here they have given the points and they have clearly given the condition also. So let P x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus, and what is the geometric condition here? PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square. So here they have given A 1 comma 2, B 2 comma minus 3, C minus 2 comma 3, and P x1 y1. So let us substitute the distance between P and A. So that is x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square plus PB square, the distance between P and B, that is x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square is equal to 2 times PC square, the distance between P and C, that is x1 plus 2 whole square, next y1 minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square. Let us simplify this. That is x1 square minus 2x1 plus 1 plus y1 square minus 4y1 plus 4 plus x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square plus 6y1 plus 9 is equal to 2 times x1 square plus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square minus 6y1 plus 9. Just expand all these terms using a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square formula. Now left side you simplify x1 square plus x1 square, that is 2x1 square, then y1 square plus y1 square, that is 2y1 square, then x1 term minus 2x1 minus 4x1, that is minus 6x1, then y1 term minus 4y1 plus 6y1, that is 2y1, and the constants are 1 plus 4 5 plus 4 9 plus 9 is 18. So right side what you have, 2x1 square plus 2 4s are 8x1 plus 2 into y1 square, 2y1 square, 2 into minus 6y1 minus 12y1, and what you have here, 9 plus 4 13, 13 into 2 is 26. Now both sides 2x1 square 2y1 square gets cancelled. What is remaining on the left side? Minus 6x1 plus 2y1 plus 18. Bring all the terms to the left side. You get minus 8x1 plus 12y1 minus 26 equal to 0. So what do you have here? Minus 6 minus 8 is minus 14x1. 2y1 plus 12y1 is 14y1. Next 18 minus 26 is 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Minus 14x1 plus 14y1 minus 8 equal to 0. Now, if you take minus 7 common here, minus 2 common here, what you will get? 7x1 minus 7y1 plus 4 equal to 0. And if you send this minus 2 to the other side, it will become 7x1 minus 7y1 plus 4 equal to 0. Now, if you replace x1 and y1 by x comma y, you will get the equation of locus. That is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. Hence, proved. This is what we have to show. The equation of the locus is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. Thank you for watching.